Monty with Build Brothers. Started my digital inspection. We're at a house in the City Heights area, and we always like to start underneath the eaves just to see the condition of the wood. You see under here, we do see a little bit of wood replacement. So 2 starter boards have actually been replaced. They weren't painted over, and eaves consist of the fascia board, the rafter tails, and these starter boards. Now what we're looking at is a architectural asphalt shingle. This does have drip edge. Drip edge is that metal flashing that goes on top of the fascia to allow that rain to flow off freely. And along the wall here, we do see step and counter flashing. Now the homeowner has had a couple leaks going in. Now there's a couple areas that, could be the source of this leak. I see a little bit of a gap around this penetration, but there's a couple exposed nail heads that I found. There's one right here along the ridge caps as well. And along these ridge caps as well. Now the homeowners actually went ahead and put in this roof themselves about 4 years ago, so this material is relatively new. However, fundamental error that I found that could be causing these leaks is stacked seams. So each course of these shingles, you have a stacked seam right here going all the way up to the top, and what do we see? An exposed nail head. Now this is going to be very common with stacked seams because the nailing pattern is actually incorrect. So we see this consistently on each seam. You can see how these are lined up. This is incorrect. This is supposed to be staggered, because according to nailing code or roofing code, each shingle course is supposed to be staggered. So when these seams aren't staggered, that means these nail heads are right on top of each other. So this could very well be the source of where these leaks are coming from. As far as exact pinpointed spot, well, it's hard to determine, but we can get a good idea of how many spots are vulnerable to these leaks. Again, you see a clear line going down each of these. So this nailing pattern is incorrect. Now around these penetrations, these could definitely get resealed and painted on a new roofing project. But because of these fundamental errors, our recommendation is going to be an overlay. Now, because we see stacked seams on every single surface on here, we want to do a full shingle overlay, just to make sure that this is watertight and no water is getting in. We are an Owens Corning preferred contractor, so we get that awesome 50-year product warranty on our shingles, and we actually back that with a 10-year workmanship. But yeah, this definitely needs an overlay. I'll get this out to the homeowner and go over options. Thank you.